With Blender open, have a look at this here Find menu. It is a list of all the areas that you can get. Every area can be anything. For now, this here is the 3D viewport. But it can also be your timeline, your shader editor, and your outliner. So if you ever find yourself in the situation of missing a panel, just go with your mouse into the corner of an area, so you get this crosshair, click, drag out, get yourself the outliner, click, pull down, get yourself the properties panel. You can also do this process in reverse if you ever find that you have too many panels. So if you want to get rid of this one, you can just click here with the crosshair and pull it down. Note that this only works with panels that are of the same height or width. So if I were to drag this down and I would try to combine this one with the viewport, it wouldn't work that way. So if you find yourself in this situation, just drag it out here, combine these two, move up, and back to the properties. That's simple.